Storm warning for Hudson County in northeastern New Jersey, eastern Union County in northeastern New Jersey, southeastern Bergen County in northeastern New Jersey, southern Essex County in northeastern New Jersey, southern Westchester County in southeastern New York, Queens County in southeastern New York, Richmond County in southeastern New York, Bronx County in southeastern New York, New York County in southeastern New York, Kings County in southeastern New York, Nassau County in southeastern New York, until 5:45 p.m. At 4:54 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Riverdale to Union City to near Union, moving southeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Severe thunderstorms will be near New Rochelle and East Trenton around 5 p.m. Flatbush and Flushing around 5:05 p.m. Jamaica and Great Neck around 5:10 p.m. Coney Island and Garden City around 5:15 p.m. Valley Stream and Long Beach around 5:20 p.m. Levittown and Freeport around 5:25 p.m. Massapequa around 5:30 p.m. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The National Weather Service in Upton, New York has issued a special marine warning for Sandy Hook, New Jersey to Fire Island Inlet, New York out. Fire Island New York out 30 nautical miles, Long Island Sound west of New Haven, Connecticut. Shore bays until 7 p.m. At 4:56 p.m., strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Eastchester Bay to near Upper New York Harbor to 8 nautical miles northwest of the Verrazano Narrows Bridge, moving southeast at 40 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar indicated. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Strong thunderstorms will be near Eastchester Bay and Execution Rocks around 5 p.m. Little Neck Bay, Saddle Rock, Manhasset Bay and Baxter Estates around 5:05 p.m. The Verrazano Narrows Bridge and Jamaica Bay around 5:10 p.m. Lower New York Harbor around 5:15 p.m. Rockaway Inlet, Island Park, Sandy Hook and Barnum Island around 5:20 p.m. Middle Bay around 5:25 p.m. East Bay, Jones Beach, South Oyster Bay and Jones Inlet around 5:30 p.m. Entrance to New York Harbor around 5:45 p.m. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. The coastal waters forecast from Sandy Hook, New Jersey.
Oh, okay.
The National Weather Service in Upton, New York has issued a special marine warning for Central Long Island Sound until 6 p.m. At 5:02 p.m., strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 22 nautical miles northwest of New Haven Harbor to 7 nautical miles north of Norwalk Islands to Mamaroneck Harbor, moving southeast at 40 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar indicated. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Strong thunderstorms will be near Long Neck Point around 5:05 p.m. Norwalk Islands around 5:10 p.m. Oyster Bay Harbor and Oyster Bay around 5:15 p.m. Petfield Reef, Cold Spring Harbor and Huntington Bay around 5:20 p.m. Stratford Shoal, south of the Housatonic River and Smithtown Bay around 5:25 p.m. Port Jefferson Harbor around 5:30 p.m. Parrot Point and Madison Reef around 5:45 p.m. West Brock Center and 6 Mile Reef around 5:55 p.m. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. Here is a short-term forecast for the following areas in New Jersey.